you can do better. You don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. You don't deserve it. You can do better. You fell in love with a now you feel like you can't trust it. You the one that wouldn't stuck with her. No, you knew it wasn't.
Hi guys, so do not mind how my hair is looking right now, but I'm going to transform a wig, this beat up wig right here, into a bob, and I'm gonna make sure it's like back how it's supposed to be. And this is a synthetic wig, but hopefully I can fix it. Oh yeah, that was the main thing. So it's a half wig, as you can see. So I'm gonna wear it when it's all done. I'm gonna wear it as a like sewing. So it's tangled in the combs. Yeah, so as you can see, well, it's a U part wigs, not half wig. So this is basically like a sewing, so you gotta have leave out. But yeah, so right now I tried brushing it out as good as I can. I'm gonna have to brush out this right here because it's really matted. Like, look how matted this chunk is. No. But like I said, hopefully I can transform this. I watched like 3 videos on how to cut a bob. I mean, I take cosmetology, so it's gonna be like a blunt cut. I'm probably gonna want it right here, but yeah, it's gonna be a blunt cut bob. I don't know, this is not as formal as I thought it would be, but it's okay. So yeah, right now I'm just combing it out. This is from Model actually, and my cousin got it for me for my birthday. It's only like $20, so it's not that bad of a cost. But yeah, so I'm gonna get the water. I'm gonna boil it. While the water is boiling, I'm gonna try and brush it out. I mean, I put it on my head, like about how I think I want it, and I think I want it like right here. So hopefully everything works out. But yeah, it's like really puffy in the back, so we're gonna get rid of that. But yeah, I'm gonna get a big pot. Yeah, I'm like really serious about this because my hair right now, it's natural and it's not where it should be. So I mean, like, I need to get back popping again, so I needed like a quick hairstyle. I'm probably mostly gonna only dip the ends in, just because as you can see, that's where the most of the puffiness is. So I'm probably just gonna boil the ends. But I hope this comes out right, because if I can, I'll go like one more day with this, and then. So that's how the water looks now. It's probably gonna take a while to boil. So yeah, I'll just get back to you when it's done. But in the meantime, what may seem like a long time for me, will be a quick time for you guys. So right now the water is just about boiling. So yeah, it's basically like boiling, so I'm gonna try and dip the ends. I'm gonna put it to you guys right here so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm only gonna dip the ends in, like the bottom part. Ooh, I should really get a towel, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a towel. Okay, got the towel. I'm scared. I feel like it's gonna burn off. I'm gonna turn the stove off so it's not that hot. So as you can see, there's already like, you can already tell that there are results from how it used to look. So this should be good because I'm going to straighten it anyway. So this should be about good. And maybe use like a straightening comb. First I have to see if it'll even like run through. Yeah, so it should run through. I really don't care that much about the ends because it's getting cut off. So let's go upstairs. So yeah, I know I got my scarf on still, but I'm just trying to figure out how long I want it. I'm probably gonna have it like shoulder length. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna use like a bobby pin or whatever, so I know when I cut it. So now I need to find my Tina, which is my mannequin, and I need to put it on here so I can cut it. So I'll be back with you guys. So instead of using Tina, I'm gonna use my sister, and she has it on. So we're gonna be using her, and I'm gonna put you guys right here because yeah, if you guys like want to see how I cut it, I'm gonna put you guys right here. So it's cut, and right now I'm gonna take it off of her and brush it, put it on me.
That's how you want it.
And I might have to like touch it up, but hopefully it's like gonna be fixed. It's kind of angled right here, and that's kind of what I want, but kind of not. I mean, I like it so far.
Good trick cannot tell her that you got a new wig. Okay.
I'm gonna
Trick her.
Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Okay. So now I'm gonna have to like fix it based on
looking at your hair, kind of.
my head.
Straighten.
But I kind of like it. The back is like kind of sticking up, but that's probably because of my ponytail. But I like it. So I'm just gonna like cut the like fadeaways, straightaways. Okay, so I got like a hat, and this is probably how I'm gonna wear it tomorrow. But I don't know. Okay. So right now, I'm going to put this hot comb on. It was like pretty easy, and like I'm not even that good at doing hair, and I honestly finessed this hair. So I started at like 3:22, and it is 4:13 right now. It didn't even take me an hour. I mean, it took like 45, like 45-50 minutes to do it, but still, like, it was so quick to do this, so that means like anyone can do it. Okay guys, so this is how it looks on my head. I think I did a pretty good job for this being my first time cutting a wig or whatever. But yeah, I really like it. I hope you guys like it. Thumbs up for more videos. I'll try and do more hair tutorials. But yeah, thank you for watching.